In this segment of our 3,000-mile road trip, we will show you the electric Maid of the Mist boats, including their chargers, a Tesla-powered carousel, and the history of Nikola Tesla in Buffalo, and our footage of our adventures in the Niagara and Buffalo area. Don't forget to subscribe to follow our entire journey.
Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag.
Each Maid of the Mist vessel has dual 158 kilowatt-hour battery packs. Here are the charge ports and cables. The average charge rate is 271 kilowatts for each of the two independent battery packs during the 7-minute charge from 60 to 80% state of charge. This yields a combined charge rate of an impressive 542 kilowatts, delivering a total of 63 kilowatts of energy in just 7 minutes. So for the first time ever, I had to wait at a supercharger. I don't think it's going to be very long. Oh, it was like a minute wait.
The fact that Tesla warns you that there is a wait time and was accurate as well is convenient in the event that you are in a hurry. Zach could have picked a different charger, but since the wait time was so short, it wasn't worth navigating to a different one. This is not bad considering we have traveled almost 80,000 miles in our Teslas, and this is the first time we had to wait at a supercharger. We would have charged up right at Goat Island, which was convenient to the falls and available when we parked in the lot. However, none of the chargers on the American side of the falls were online. Yet, way to go to Canada because all of theirs were working. We should have brought the passports.
Busy charger, still pretty full.
It's a funny story when we planned our trip to come to the Niagara Falls and decided to stop in Buffalo. We did not know the connection that Nikola Tesla had in Buffalo. So it's pretty cool. Apparently the first city to have electricity was Buffalo. Carousel is an icon depicting the history of Buffalo. It showcases the history of carousel manufacturing in western New York, as well as Buffalo's leadership in the use of renewable resources that began with Nikola Tesla's discovery of using hydroelectric power to create widespread electricity. The solar-powered tiles were donated by Tesla's Gigafactory located in Buffalo, as we showed at the beginning of this video, and are estimated to be worth more than $150,000.
Here's the solar energy data. It's kind of a rainy, cloudy day, so output isn't great today, but you can see it is still producing some solar energy to power this carousel. Whoa, that's all nice playing there.
So we were just adding Starbucks stop to our route because, of course, we're on a road trip. It's a very necessary stop. But while we were doing that, I asked Zach why it gives us a 5-minute charge in Fredonia to arrive at Presque Bay with 1% charge.
In 1 mile, take exit 57 on the right onto New York 75.
So why is that?
Yeah, it assumes that you have access to charging at your final destination. So if it's not truly your final destination, you got to keep in mind you need to give yourself a little bit more to get to the next charging location. Or, you know, if it is your final destination and you don't have a charger there, you know, say it's like a, you know, somebody you're traveling onward from after that, you'll need to just add that in and account for it.
So that's kind of one small drawback of the in-car trip planner then.
Yeah.
If you did a better route planner, you could plan it to make sure that you're stopping for the right length of time.
Yeah, I mean, even that one, I think there might be a setting to set a final charge that you want when you arrive at your final destination. But even for that one, I kind of adjust and account for it based on whether or not, if I know we have a
now take exit 57
access
on the
to
right.
trickle charging. I mean, that makes a big difference. We felt that on our last stop not having it. So just something to keep in mind. Here we are wrapping up a charge in Fredonia. This is the Magic Dock Supercharger. No other non-Teslas here today, but I did see 3 of them on the way up to Niagara, so that was cool. Glad we at least got to see them and talk to a few owners the first go around.